In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check if someone else is logged into your Facebook account and how to log them out instantly if something looks suspicious. The process is the same for both iPhone as well as Android phones, but if you need a desktop tutorial, then leave a comment and I'll make sure to create a separate tutorial. So I'm going to open the Facebook app on my phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner, and then we'll go to the bottom of this page until you see this Settings and Privacy option. Then Settings, and this will open a separate section in our Facebook app, which is just what we need. We'll have this Account Center at the top of the Settings page, so tap on it in order to get access to more options. We're looking for this Password and Security option, then where you're logged in, right here. Select the Facebook account if you have multiple ones connected here, and that will essentially give us all of the devices where you're logged into your Facebook account. If you see a device which you didn't use and it's unfamiliar to you, then you can tap on Select Devices to log out. Tap on that device and then log out from your account. If this video helped you out, please make sure to subscribe to App Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.